Gurubhyo Namaha. We finished up to 20. Verse number 21. Vipranam bhojanair homai. Okay. Prokshaniyairaharnisham. Vipranam bhojanair homai prokshaniyairaharnisham. Homai, either you say homair or homaif. Okay, because the visarga must come there. Vipranam bhojanair homair. Homair is also okay here, like homair, because they are saying in plural. So both are in plural. Bhojanai as well as the homai, both are in plural. Vipranam bhojanair homai prokshaniyairaharnisham. I said this is the continuation of the previous one. They are enumerating what are all normally we do. We do all the Dhupa, Dipagni, Puja, the rituals that we have. Normally ritualistic puja. And Vipranam is the Brahmana Bhojana and the homas. All those things, Aharnisham, regularly we keep doing it, continuously we keep doing it. And we have so many other homam and everything we do it. It is even like, if the fruits of doing all these things and reciting the Dev Mahatmyam is the same. Even if you are not able to do all the other things, you are able to recite Dev Mahatmyam, you can reap the benefits of doing everything else. Okay, got it? Got the point? You are doing so many homam, puja, everything, brahmana bhojanam, everything you do it, the fruits receiving that. அதனுடைய பலன் இதெல்லாம் பண்றதுல அதனோட பலன் நமக்கு கிடைக்கிறது இல்லையா அந்த even if you are not able to do it, there are too many things doing, like homa, puja and dhupa deepa, the elaborate ritualistic puja and everything. It is elaborate and there are many to be done. Vividair home, there are many to be done. The fruits of doing it is, even if you are not able to do all these things, you recite Mahatmyam, you get the benefit of doing everything. This is what exactly they mean to say.
It is not Shravana, it is
reciting it. Shravana. Shruti also they are saying Shruti harati Shrutam harati papani. That is the next one. So Sakrut charite Shrute only they are saying. Shrute, it is only listening to that. Listening to that, it is okay. Anyaischa vividair bhogay pradhanair vatsarenaya. Vatsarena means in a year. Vatsara. Samvatsara we say. So Vatsara is a year. Anyaischa vividair bhogay pradhanair vatsarenaya. Viprana bhojanair homai prokshaniyairaharnisham. अन्यैश्च विविधैर्भोगैः प्रदानैर्वत्सरेणया
विप्राणां भोजनैर्होमैः प्रोक्षणीयैरहर्निशम् अन्यैश्च विविधैर्भोगैः प्रदानैर्वत्सरेणया विप्राणां भोजनैर्होमैः प्रोक्षणीयैरहर्निशम्.
Slowly, don't rush. Vipranam. See, the moment you start saying it slowly, your pronunciation becomes exact. You will not be making any mistakes. Try and say slowly, okay? Vipranam bhojanair homair prokshaniyairaharnisham अन्यैश्च विविधैर्भोगैः प्रधानैर्वत्सरेणया
विप्राणां भोजनैर्होमैः प्रोक्षणीयैरहर्निशम् अन्यैश्च विविधैर्भोगैः प्रदानैर्वत्सरेणया विप्राणां भोजनैर्होमैः प्रोक्षणीयैरहर्निशम् अन्यैश्च विविधैर्भोगैः प्रदानैर्वत्सरेणया
प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन्
प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन्
सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते
सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते
सकृत् सुचरित श्रुते. Okay, that is how it is split. Sakrut sucharita shrute. Okay. प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते
प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते
श्रुतं हरति पापानि
श्रुतं हरति पापानि श्रुतं हरति पापानि
तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति
तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति
आरोग्यम you get healthier. श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति
श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति.
Arogyam is always combined with the Purva Janma karma. Health, no? If you get some ailments, you are, by going through the ailment and the pains of the ailment, you are like going through the karmas left behind. So that is the reason we say, like, don't add more karmas this side, this janma. So that health is something that is why Shrutam harati papani tatharogyam prayachati. Arogyam papani, it not only destroys all your sins, but it also gives you, because these two are interconnected. Purva Janma Papa and Prarabdha Karma. Let me not say Papam. Prarabdha Karma and the Arogyam. Both are interconnected. Pretirme kriyate sasmin sakrut sucharite shrute shrutam harati papani tatharogyam prayachati.
श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो
जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम
जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम
युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे
युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे
दुष्टदैत्य निबर्हणम् युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम्
युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे
दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम्
युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम्
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम्
रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम् रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यनिबर्हणम्
तस्मिन् श्रुते वैरिकृतम् What happens here, the Sandhi comes. Tasmin Shrute. Tasmin Shrute is the word. Tasmin Shrute are two terms. When they are combined, Tasmin Shrute. Tasmin Shrute. Okay. Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam.
Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam. Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam.
Bhayam pumsam na jayate.
Bhayam pumsam na jayate. Bhayam pumsam na jayate.
When you hear her charitam about her deeds, about her battle, your fear goes. Fear of enemies, fear of so many things. We have always only fear. Fear of everything. What is next? That itself is a fear. So if you had to really destroy that fear, don't think about what is next. Live, be here. Now we know what is happening. So be at present. Be here. So you will not know what is going to happen. What is going to happen that actually scares us. No? That's why when you hear her charitam in the battlefield, her deeds in the battlefield, the fear factor in you disappears. Okay? Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam Bhayam Pumsam na jayate.
Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam Bhayam Pumsam na jayate. Tasmin Shrute Vairikrutam Bhayam Pumsam na jayate.
Yushmabhistutayo yascha.
Yushmabhistutayo yascha. Yushmabhistutayo yascha.
Yascha brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Yascha brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Shibhikrutaha. That, see, Sandhi when it comes, give that air. Okay? Brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Yascha brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Brahmarshibi. Okay, sorry. Brahmarshibi. Brahma Rishis here. First one they mean is the Brahma Rishis, and the second one comes Brahma. Brahmana is Brahma. Brahmarshibhi. Give that air. Shibhikrutaha. Okay? Yushma Vistutayo Yascha.
Yushma Vistutayo Yascha. Yushma Vistutayo Yascha.
Yascha Brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Yascha brahmarshibhikrutaha. Yascha brahmarshibhikrutaha.
Brahmana. Oh, that is. Actually what happens, the Yushmabhi and Brahmana are the two lines that had to come together. That is why my mind goes there. Because the Tasmin Shrute Vairikritam goes with the previous line. Okay. Tasmin Shrute Vairikritam Bhayam Pumsam Na Jayate Yushmabhistuthayo Yascha Brahmarshi Bhikrutha.
Tasmin Shrute Vairikritam Bhayam Pumsam Na Jayate Yushmabhistutayo Yascha Brahmarshi Bhikrutaha.
So there are so many stotram, we have seen it. Chakradhistuti to start with, and then Brahmashruti to start with, and then Chakradhistuti. And then we have the Brahmashruti is the first one in the first adhyayam that comes. Chakradhistuti comes the next, and Devas. We have seen four stutis in this. All these things, all the stutis about me, Yushmabhi, about me, if you recite, then you will get that is what? Shubham Mathim. You will get the peace of mind, and mind will be in a good place. Shubham Mathim, auspicious mind. Thinking only of good things in life, not scared about anything, or not pessimistic. Optimistic, you develop that optimism. That is being not negative. Not negative is one thing, being positive is another thing. Okay, so to be positive, to think of positive things, you keep reciting these stutis by Brahma and the Rishis and the Devas. That is what she is telling. Okay, Yushmabhe means about me, the stutis about me. Yushmabhistuthayo is the stutis about me. I have to start with the next one. Brahmana chakrutastastu.
Brahmana chakrutastastu. Brahmana chakrutastastu.
Prayachanti shubham mathim.
Prayachanti shubham mathim. Prayachanti shubham mathim.
Brahmana chakrutastastu. Prayachanti shubham mathim.
Brahmana chakrutastastu. Prayachanti shubham mathim. Brahmana chakrutastastu. Prayachanti shubham mathim.
Aranye prantare vapi.
Aranye prantare vapi. Aranye prantare vapi.
Davagni parivaritaha.
Davagni parivaritaha. Davagni parivaritaha.
Aranya, you all know it is forest. Prantare is a secluded place, lonely place. Vapi, Davagni is the forest fire. Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha.
Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha. Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha.
Brahmana chakrutastastu prayachanti shubham mathim. Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha.
Brahmana chakrutastastu prayachanti shubham mathim. Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha. Brahmana chakrutastastu prayachanti shubham mathim. Aranye prantare vapi Davagni parivaritaha.
Dasyubhirva vrutashunye gruhito vapi shatrubhihi.
Dasyubhirva vrutashunye gruhito vapi shatrubhihi.
Dasyubhirva, dasyu means robbers, dacoits. When you are surrounded by robbers, or shunye, where there is no one else. See, again, prantare, they have said secluded place or lonely area like that. And Shunya is also secluded, lonely. Dasyubhirva vrutashuny, because next one, grihito va vapi chatrubhi. Probably all these things you can say it together when you are caught by all the enemies alone. Okay? Dasyubhirva vrutashuny grihito vapi chatrubhi.
Dasyubhirva vrutashuny Gruhito vapi shatrubhihi. Dasyubhirva vrutashuny Gruhito vapi shatrubhihi.
Simha, see, there are three words here. Simha, Vyagra, Anuyato. Okay? Simha, you know what is Simha? Vyagra is tiger. Anuyato means being stalked by this thing. This, even Simha or tigers following you. You are stalked by Simha or tigers. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato.
Simha Vyagra Anuvyato. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato.
Don't split it like that. Simha Vyagra Anuyato, no. Simha Vyagra Anuyato.
Simha Vyagra Anuvyato. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato.
Simha Vyagra Anuyato va.
Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va.
Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Vane va vanahastibhihi. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Vane, first Vane means it is not only forest, it also means apes. Vaneva, Vanahastibhi, wild elephants. Vaneva, Vanahastibhi, both apes and Vanahasti, wild elephants. So all the things they are covered. Simha, tiger, and apes and wild elephants. Simha Vyagranu Yato va.
Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va.
Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Vane va vanahastibhihi. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Simha Vyagranu Yato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Dasyubhirva vrutashunya grihito vapi shatrubhihi. Simha Vyagranu Yato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Dasyubhirva vrutashunya grihito vapi shatrubhihi. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
Vanahastibhihi. Okay?
Dasyubhirva vrutashunya grihito vapi shatrubhihi. Simha Vyagra Anuvyato va. Vane va vanahastibhihi.
This 5 we will recite and then we will go. Because the next one also it continues till the end it will continue like that. Okay? Viprana bhojanair homai prokshaniyairahannisham anyaischa vividair bhogair pradanair vatsarenaya pritir me kriyate sasmin sakrut sucharite shrute shrutam harati papani tatarogyam prayachati raksham karoti bodebhyo janmanam kirtanam mama yuddeshu charitam yanme dushta nibarhanam tasmin shrute vairikrutham bhayam pumsam na jayate yushma bistutayo yascha maharshibhi kruthaha brahmana cha krutastastu prayachanti shubham matim aranye prantare vapi धावाग्नि परिवारितः दास्युभिर्वावृतः शून्ये गृहीतो वापि शत्रुभिः सिंहव्याघ्रानुयातो वा वने वा वनहस्तिभिः राज्ञा क्रुद्धेन चाज्ञप्तो वध्यो बन्धगतोऽपि वा by the order of the ruler, Agnya, if you are arrested or sentenced to death, both. Vadhyo means sentenced to death, Bandhagato is being arrested. Okay. Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva.
Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva. Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva.
Agurnito va bhatena Agurnito va vatena Stitaf pote maharnave Agurnita means not stable, like moving with the wind. In the middle of the ocean. Pote is the ship or boat. Maharnave is the ocean. So when boat in the middle of the ocean due to the wind, if it is unstable. Agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave.
Agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave. Agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave.
Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave.
Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave. Ranya kruddhena chanyapto vadhyo bandhagato piva agurnito va vatena stitaf pote maharnave.
Patatsu chapi shastreshu sangrame bhrushadarune Patatsu chapi shastreshu sangrame bhrushadarune Sarva badhasu ghorasu vedanabhyarditopi va Sarva badhashu ghorashu vedanabhyarditopi va whatever be your you are afflicted with, your afflictions, the troubles that you go through, any kind of vedana. Vedana means torment. You are tormented for anything. She is just enumerating what all one can face, whether because of the nature, because of what is not in your hand, those things not in your hand, and because the mental afflictions, all those things she is now enumerating, and she says, what is the remedy? This is the remedy for all these things. Padatsu chapi shastreshu sangrame brushadharune sarva badhashu ghorasu vedanapyadibdopiva.
Padatsu chapi shastreshu sangrame brushadharune sarva badhasu ghorasu vedanapyadibdopiva. Padatsu chapi shastreshu sangrame brushadharune sarva badhasu ghorasu vedanapyadibdopiva.
Smaran, he's not saying reciting here, not even saying shrute, no, smaran mamaitas charitam. Remember me, remember my charitam, that is enough. Because we are not in the right mood to recite or hear. When you are in trouble or any kind of tormented, when you are in so much of afflictions going on, when you don't have the mind to recite or listen, that time just remember. Very practical, no? Smaran mamaita charitam.
Smaran mamaita charitam. Smaran mamaita charitam.
Naro muchyeta sankhatat.
Naro muchyeta sankhatat. Naro muchyeta sankhatat.
Smaran mamaita charitam. Naro muchyeta sankhatat.
Smaran mamaita charitam. Naro muchyeta sankhatat. Smaran mamaita charitam. Naro muchyeta sankhatat.
Mama prabhavat simhadhya.
Mama prabhava simhadhya. Mama prabhava simhadhya.
Dasya vo vairinastatha.
Dasya vo vairinastatha. Dasya vo vairinastatha.
Mama prabhavat simhadhya. Dasya vo vairinastatha.
Mama prabhava simhadhya. Dasya vo vairinastatha. Mama prabhava simhadhya. Dasya vo vairinastatha.
Duradeva palayante.
Duradeva palayante. Duradeva palayante.
Smaratascharidam mama.
Smaratascharidam mama. Smaratascharidam mama.
Duradeva palayante. Smaratascharidam mama.
Duradeva palayante. Smaratascharidam mama. Duradeva palayante. Smaratascharidam mama.
Smaran mamaitas-charitam naro muchyeta sankhatat mama prabhavat simhadhya dasya vo vairiнаstatha duradeva palayante smaratas-charitam mama.
Smaran mamaitas-charitam naro muchyeta sankhatat mama prabhava simhadhya dasya vo vairiнаstatha duradeva palayante smaratascharidam mama. Smaran mamaitas-charitam naro muchyeta sankhatat mama prabhava simhadhya dasya vo vairiнаstatha duradeva palayante smaratascharidam mama.
Rushiruvacha
Rushiruvacha
इत्युक्त्वा सा भगवती चण्डिका चण्डविक्रमा इत्युक्त्वा सा भगवती चण्डिका चण्डविक्रमा पश्यतामेव देवानां तत्रैवान्तरधीयत As they were saying, after saying all this phalam, as they were seeing her, she disappeared from there. See, antaradhiyate. She disappeared from the sea. Ityuktva sa bhagavati. No, I will recite the third line also. Then I think we will come in. Yeah, I think so. I will recite the next line also. Tepi deva nira. Did I recite the complete line? No. Pashyatameva devanam tatraivantaradhiyata. Tepi deva niratankaha. Swadhikaran yatha pura. Tepi deva niratanka swadhikaran yatha pura. What is that? Oh, yeah. Ityuktva sa bhagavati chandika chandavikrama pashyatameva devanam tatraivantaradhiyata tepi deva niratanka swadhikaran yatha pura. Ityuktva sa bhagavati chandika chandavikrama Pashyatameva devanam tatraivantaradhiyata tepi deva niratanka swadhikaran yatha pura. Ityuktva sa bhagavati chandika chandavikrama pashyatameva devanam tatraivantaradhiyata tepi deva niratanka swadhikaran yatha pura. Yanya bhaga bhujas sarve. Chakrur vinihatarayah. Yanya bhaga bhujas sarve. Chakrur vinihatarayah. Chakrur vinihatarayah. Daityascha devya nihate. Devaripau Shumbe devaripau yudhi. Daityascha devya nihate Shumbe devaripau yudhi.
शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि
शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि
शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि
यज्ञभागभुजः सर्वे चक्रुर्विनिहतारयः दैत्याश्च देव्या निहते शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि
यज्ञभागभुजः सर्वे चक्रुर्विनिहतारयः दैत्याश्च देव्या निहते शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि यज्ञभागभुजः सर्वे चक्रुर्विनिहतारयः दैत्याश्च देव्या निहते शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि.
You will recite this. Okay? This page. Ranya krudhena chanyapto vadyo bandagato piva agurnito va vatena stitah pote maharnave patatsu chapi sastreshu sangrame brushadharune sarva badhashu ghorasu वेदनाप्यर्दितोऽपि वा स्मरन् ममैतच्चरितं नरो मुच्येत सङ्कटात् मम प्रभावात् सिंहाद्या दस्य वो वैरिणस्तथा दूरादेव पलायन्ते स्मरतश्चरितं मम ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्त्वा सा भगवती चण्डिका चण्डविक्रमा पश्यतामेव देवानां तत्रैवान्तरधीयत तेऽपि देवा निरातङ्काः स्वाधिकारान् यथा पुरा यज्ञभागभुजः सर्वे चक्रुर्विनिहतारयः दैत्याश्च देव्या निहते शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि. These two lines, they are actually praising Shumba, the valor of Shumba, how powerful. And the next two lines, Shumba and Shumba, Jagat Vimsani Tasmin, like they are using those kind of words where like he was a terror, how terror he was, terrible he was. Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin,
Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin, Jagat Vidvamsini
Jagat Vidvamsini, Jagat Vidvamsini, Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin,
Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin, Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin,
Mahogre Atula Vikrame is, see his prabhava, Atula Vikrame. There's no one compared to his kind of valor. No one is compared to that. Atula Vikrame. Mahogre Atula Vikrame. Mahogre Atula Vikrame. Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin Mahogre Tula Vikrame.
Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin Mahogre Tula Vikrame. Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin Mahogre Tula Vikrame.
Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye,
Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye, Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye.
Seshaf Pataalamayayuhu,
Sheshaf Pataalamayayuhu, Sheshaf Pataalamayayuhu.
Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye, Seshaf Pataalamayayuhu.
Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye, Sheshaf Pataalamayayuhu. Nishumbhe cha Mahavirye, Sheshaf Pataalamayayuhu.
Jagat Vidvamsini Tasmin Mahogre Tula Vikrame. निशुम्भे च महावीर्ये शेषाः पातालमाययुः
जगद्विध्वंसिनी तस्मिन् महोग्रे तुलविक्रमे निशुम्भे च महावीर्ये शेषाः पातालमाययुः जगद्विध्वंसिनी तस्मिन् महोग्रे तुलविक्रमे निशुम्भे च महावीर्ये शेषाः पातालमाययुः
एवं भगवती देवी
एवं भगवती देवी
सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः
सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः
एवं भगवती देवी सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः
एवं भगवती देवी सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः एवं भगवती देवी सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः
सम्भूय कुरुते भूय भूप
सम्भूय कुरुते भूप
जगतः परिपालनम्
जगतः परिपालनम्
Though she is eternal, she has to take again and again different avatarams for the sake of protecting this world. That is what she. Even though she is eternal, Nityabi, even she is Nitya, eternal she is. In spite of that, she has to take Sambhuya Kurute, she has to manifest again and again. Nityabi means she is always present, but we are not able to see her. So, there she has to manifest again and again for the Jagatah Paripalanam, okay, for the sake of the world. Evam Bhagavati Devi Sa Nityapi Punah Punah Sambhuya Kurute Bhupa Jagatah Paripalanam.
Evam Bhagavati Devi Sa Nityapi Punah Punah Sambhuya Kurute Bhupa Jagatah Paripalanam. Evam Bhagavati Devi Sa Nityapi Punah Punah Sambhuya Kurute Bhupa Jagatah Paripalanam.
Tayetan mohyate vishvam
Tayetan mohyate vishvam
Saiva vishvam prasuyate
Saiva vishvam prasuyate
Tayetan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate
Tayetan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate Tayetan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate
Sayachita cha vijnanam
Sayachita cha vijnanam
Tushta ruddhim prayachati
Tushtaruddhim prayachati
Sayachita cha vijnanam Tushta ruddhim prayachati
Sayachita cha vijnanam Tushtaruddhim prayachati Sayachita cha vijnanam
Tushta ruddhim prayachati Vyaptam tayaitat sakhalam.
Vyaptam tayetat
Oh, I
sakalam
have to say both together, no? Oh, sorry. Tayaitan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate Sayachita cha vijnanam Tushta ruddhim prayachati.
Tayetan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate Sayachita cha vijnanam Tushtaruddhim prayachati Tayetan mohyate vishvam Saiva vishvam prasuyate Sayachita cha vijnanam Tushtaruddhim prayachati
व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं
व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं
ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वरः
ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वरः ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वरः
Manujeshwara, not Varaha. No, I didn't say Varaha, no? I said? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Vyaptam tayaitat sakalam brahmandam manujeshwara.
व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर
Mahakalya Mahakale
महाकाल्या महाकाले महाकाल्या महाकाले
Mahamari Swarupaya
महामारी स्वरूपया महामारी स्वरूपया
Mahakalya Mahakale Mahamari Swarupaya
महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया
व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया
व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया
सैव काले महामारी
सैव काले महामारी सैव काले महामारी
सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा
सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा
सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा
सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा
स्थितिं करोति भूतानां
स्थितिं करोति भूतानां स्थितिं करोति भूतानां
सैव काले सनातनी
सैव काले सनातनी सैव काले सनातनी
सैव काले स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी
स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी
सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा स्तुतिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी
सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी
भवकाले नृणां सैव
भवकाले नृणां सैव भवकाले नृणां सैव
लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे
लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे
भवकाले नृणां सैव लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे
भवकाले नृणां सैव लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे भवकाले नृणां सैव लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे
Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir.
Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir. Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir.
Vinashayopajayate.
Vinashayopajayate. Vinashayopajayate.
If you are a good person, all Lakshmi will come, you will flourish, your house will flourish. If you are going to do any misdeeds, Alakshmi will come and give you more troubles. Okay, this is the 2 lines means. Very clear cut this thing. Be good or you face this. You don't be good, you face this. Very clear about it. Very clear distinction here. No? Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir vinashayopajayate.
Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir. Vinashayopajayate. Saiva bhave tatha Lakshmir. Vinashayopajayate.
Bhavakale nrunam saiva Lakshmir vruddhi pratha gruhe. Saiva bhave tata Lakshmir vinashayopajayate.
Bhavakale nrunam saiva Lakshmi vruddhi prada gruhe. Saiva bhave tata Lakshmi vinashayopajayate. Bhavakale nrunam saiva Lakshmi vruddhi prada gruhe. Saiva bhave tata Lakshmi vinashayopajayate.
Stuta sampujita pushpair.
Stuta sampujita pushpair. Stuta sampujita pushpair.
Dhupagandhadibhistatha. Okay, dhupagandhadibhistatha. Stuta sampujita pushpair.
Stuta sampujita pushpair. Stuta sampujita pushpair.
Dhupagandhadibhistitha. Stuta sampujita pushpair dhupagandhadibhistatha.
Stuta sampujita pushpair dhupagandhadibhistatha. Stuta sampujita pushpair dhupagandhadibhistatha.
Dadati vittam putramscha.
Dadati vittam putramsha. Dadati vittam putramsha.
Matim dharmam gatim shubham.
Matim dharme
Dharme, it is okay, sorry. Matim dharme gatim shubham.
Matim dharme gatim shubham. Matim dharme gatim shubham.
Dadati vittam putramscha. Matim dharme gatim shubham.
Dadati vittam putramsha. Matim dharme gatim shubham. Dadati vittam putramsha. Matim dharme gatim shubham.
Vittam is wealth. Putrams, progeny, you get good kids. Okay. Matim dharmam. Our mind should be in the righteous way. That mind is kept in the righteous way if you worship her like this, recite this with the Dhupa Deepagni. No Naivedyam is told, so just don't worry about the Naivedyam. Dhupa Gandha, Pushpai Dhupa Gandhadi. Okay. Bhojana home, you get all the benefits you get by reciting this. So, saved. Stuta sampujita pushpair dhupa gandhadibhistatha. Dadati vittam putramscha. Matim dharme gatim shubham. Om. Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye फलस्तुतिर्नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः. 20 we will recite once.
Saiva means
Sa eva. Sa eva. She is the only one. Only one. Sa eva. Saiva, that becomes Saiva. Sandhi that comes now. So that is.
What is that riddhim with a ru, not with a gru in the 37? Sa yachita cha vijnanam tushta riddhim prayachati.
Ruddhi here is again wealth. Ruddhim.
Usually we write it as va akshara, no?
Vriddhi, no? That is the Ruddham. It is. Vriddhi is one thing that he has told already. No, that is going to come later. No, Vriddhi Pratha. So Ruddhim, yeah, meaning is the same. Ruddhim Prayachati. So happiness, knowledge, happy satisfaction, contentment, tushta, contentment. You should say contentment and Ruddhim. So she gives all these things when sa yachita, when you please her, when you ask her. Sa yachita cha vijnanam tushta ruddhim prayachati. She gives all these things, okay? So now from 21 we will recite it once. Vipranam bhojanair homaih prokshaniyairaharnisham anyaischa vividair bhogaih pradhanair vatsarenaya प्रीतिर्मे क्रियते सास्मिन् सकृत् सुचरिते श्रुते श्रुतं हरति पापानि तथारोग्यं प्रयच्छति रक्षां करोति भूतेभ्यो जन्मनां कीर्तनं मम युद्धेषु चरितं यन्मे दुष्टदैत्यविबर्हणम् तस्मिन् श्रुते वैरिकृतं भयं पुंसां न जायते युष्माभिस्तुतयो याश्च ब्रह्मर्षिभिः कृताः ब्रह्मणा च कृतास्तास्तु प्रयच्छन्ति शुभां मतिम् अरण्ये प्रान्तरे वापि दावाग्नि परिवारितः दस्युभिर्वावृतः शून्ये गृहीतो वापि शत्रुभिः सिंहव्याघ्रानुयातो वा वने वा वनहस्तिभिः राज्ञा क्रुद्धेन चान्यप्तो वध्यो बन्धगतोऽपि वा आगूर्णितो वा वातेन स्थितः पोते महार्णवे पतत्सु चापि शस्त्रेषु सङ्ग्रामे वृषधारुणे सर्वाबाधासु घोरासु वेदनाप्यर्थितोऽप्तोऽपि वा स्मरन् ममैतश्चरितम् नरो मुच्येत सङ्कटात् मम प्रभावात् सिंहाद्या दस्य वो वैरिणस्तथा दूरादेव पलायन्ते स्मरतश्चरितं मम ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्त्वा सा भगवती चण्डिका चण्डविक्रमा पश्यतामेव देवानां तत्रैवान्तरधीयत तेऽपि देवा निरातङ्काः स्वाधिकारान्यथा पुरा यज्ञभागभुजः सर्वे चक्रुर्विनिहतारयः दैत्याश्च देव्या निहते शुम्भे देवरिपौ युधि जगद्विध्वंसिनी तस्मिन् महोग्रे तुलविक्रमे निशुम्भे च महावीर्ये शेषाः पातालमाययुः एवं भगवती देवी सा नित्यापि पुनः पुनः सम्भूय कुरुते भूप जगदः परिपालनम् तैतन्मोह्यते विश्वम् सैव विश्वं प्रसूयते। सा याचिता च विज्ञानं तुष्टा रुद्धिं प्रयच्छति। व्याप्तं तयैतत् सकलं ब्रह्माण्डं मनुजेश्वर। महाकाल्या महाकाले महामारी स्वरूपया। सैव काले महामारी सैव सृष्टिर्भवत्यजा। स्थितिं करोति भूतानां सैव काले सनातनी। भवकाले नृणां सैव लक्ष्मीर्वृद्धिप्रदा गृहे। सैवाभावे तथा लक्ष्मीर्विनाशायोपजायते। स्तुता सम्पूजिता पुष्पैर्धूपगन्धादिभिस्तथा। ददाति वित्तं पुत्रांश्च मतिं धर्मे गतिं शुभाम्। ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये फलश्रुतिर्नाम 12 अध्यायः।